Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Gauteng continues to sizzle under the effects of the heatwave, and although there will be a few thunder showers in the area over the next few days, not too much rainfall is expected, certainly no relief from the heat. On the eastern coastline, on the other hand, things will become cloudy and wet on Friday and those areas will see some cooling. Let's take a look at the satellite loop, and it was a clear start to Wednesday for most of the country, mainly due to a very strong high pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere across the northern and central parts. This is also what's causing the heat wave, as it's allowing temperatures to rise very high across those areas. Cooler air has been moving in over the southwestern corner of the country, and that also brought a bit of cloud cover to Cape Town and the surrounding areas earlier in the day. For the rest of today, it's going to be partly cloudy on the Highvelds. We're going to see a few thunder showers popping up for Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga, while over the central and western parts of the country, cloud cover will be increasing this afternoon, but we're not expecting any rainfall out of that. Heading into tomorrow, there's going to be a sharp rise in temperatures over the low-lying areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, above 40 degrees Celsius on Thursday afternoon for those areas. Thunderstorms developing across the central parts, including the Free State and in KwaZulu-Natal, while in the west, it remains partly cloudy and dry once again for Thursday afternoon and evening. Not the most exciting rainfall picture for today, with just a few thunder showers possible in the northeast, mainly along the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga, very isolated onto the Highvelds, including for Gauteng. We could see a few thunder showers around Polokwane as well. No rain, on the other hand, for the western and southern parts of the country for the rest of this Wednesday. There is a warning for today. That's for the continuation of high fire danger conditions through the central parts of South Africa and also extending into the interior of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Winds this afternoon remaining light for most areas, moderate in places through the central parts, but fresh winds are expected over some areas in the Karoo around Daar as well. 35 kilometers per hour is an average speed for today. Maximum temperatures this afternoon getting to 40 degrees for Uppington, while Kimberley reaches a high of 37. Also reaching the mid to upper 30s in Gauteng, as well as in the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And of course, the Lowveld will be very hot once again. Tomorrow morning is going to start off very warm for almost all of South Africa. The cloud cover in the western parts trapping in some of the daytime heat. Uppington with a minimum of 22 degrees and 20 as an overnight low for Mahikeng, Pretoria, as well as in Mbombela. Johannesburg today still feeling the effects of the heat wave. A high of 33 degrees has been forecast. Isolated thunder showers will be possible, and by tonight most of those thunderstorms will start dissipating quite quickly after sunset, and a minimum temperature of 18 degrees is expected for early tomorrow morning. Thursday afternoon brings thunder showers to Mahikeng, 35 as a high, still very mild for Cape Town at 22 degrees. And on Friday we will see a few thunder showers over the Gauteng province once again, and it's going to become cloudy, cooler and wet along the east coast for Durban and Richards Bay.